Hey, it's Vinny Mancini, your Ironman Realtor, with my good buddy, Mr. Licorice, and welcome home to the Ellington, Unit 60 in the Rittenhouse Square area of the city. This stunning one-bedroom, one-bathroom condo is nearly 900 square feet. It's got 10-foot ceilings, hardwood floors, oversized windows, and amazing amenities like a 24-hour concierge maintenance and its own fitness center. My favorite part is you can walk anywhere. Licorice's favorite part is it's a pet-friendly building. Let's check it out.